do I have a tireless voice? Tell me you have it. Who says I taste like Baldy? That's Aaron Baldy's basics. This is called Sipping Phantom with Maggie. You'll have 2 days to say what you like about each other. We do not need 2 days for this. Let me ask you that question. Do you sip Phantom times Maggie? The answer is this. And just so you know, asking the public this is not okay. Keep the super secret, please. Salt said he would try to do the math, didn't he? Yes, go ahead. Alright, no more, please. This is just voice practice for the Lucas video. We're not gonna do much else, okay? Bye.